many times I am back with another video. I got my girl Kaya in the video. I got my boy Jamie in the video. And I'll post their social medias down below.
Just on the beat.
But today we're gonna be eating the Popeye chicken sandwiches. The hype is so real about these. I like them, but I ain't never ate the spicy one, so we're gonna be trying them, and we're gonna ask each other some little questions, you know, while we're doing this video. And yeah. But I'm so ready to bite. I'm so hungry.
Oh, damn.
I think Nikki got me sick.
Which one we eating first?
I'm eating the spicy one.
I'm eating regular one. So
I don't know which one we eating. What's the difference?
The spicy one gonna burn the H out of your mouth.
No, I ain't talking about. I'm just talking about what's the look.
One got a different sauce. One got an
orange.
orangey sauce.
I'm gonna just start off with this.
This what mine look like. Look.
Oh my God.
You good, Kyle? You got some mayonnaise on the side of your mouth.
Gross.
Kyle, ask a
This
question.
smart.
This one's better than the regular.
Ask a question.
Ask me a Jenny a question.
All right. I
Do
got
you think this sandwich is really worth the
$5. Oh, the height?
Yeah.
Nah.
It's not.
Nah. This one is, but the regular, nah. The
I
regular
don't
ain't
think
that
it's
good.
gonna work because
Do y'all think this sandwich should be worth $5?
Freak no.
probably ain't 5, dude. That was 3.
That's
This
around
I thought it was 3. It's $5 good. This one is so much better. Than the
It's
regular.
not hot. It's not hot.
Am I hot?
It's not hot. Oh,
I like hot stuff.
No, I can't eat these pickles no more.
I said no pickles. I like pickles by themselves, but I don't like the in my food and like I don't like them on my burger.
I like that. I'm finna dip it in the mustard, see how these jams taste.
Okay, Jane, you ask a question.
So what's up, man? Why you start this YouTube stuff, man? Tell me what's the hype about this YouTube?
Okay, so honestly, the first time when I first started, I was like the money gonna be good and stuff like that. That's what I was thinking first. But then I was like, it's gonna take a long time for me to get the money I really want to do, because I like to talk to people, and like I can talk to them, like, you know what I mean. That's like me talking to a whole bunch of people and like expressing myself and having somebody go with me from day to day in my life and stuff like that. Now I really want to do it more, because I want people to know me for who I really am instead of what they think I am and stuff like that. I really want them to know me for who I am, you know? That's why.
Man, this chicken sound hot.
Yeah, I think I'm done with this spicy one.
Told you.
I got halfway through. I got damn near finished it that man.
It's funny. Everybody finished half of a sandwich. You put it up.
But I want to eat this regular. I'm gonna try to eat some of this regular because I need this video to be a little longer than that. And Popeyes is not really that freaking good.
If you don't run on right now, you'll beg the difference.
Think I was what?
If you was on what I was on, if they was on what I was on.
This sandwich is like big, you know. But Johnny, show me your sandwich. Just get into it. Like, look at it. Like, this junk is big, and all of that you get like a piece of meat in everybody except for like right there. But you still gonna get some meat if you got a big mouth.
I choose Jasmine chicken sandwich.
Oh no, Chick-fil-A. Bro, that's what we should have got Chick-fil-A for.
We got Chick-fil-A, no crap.
Bro.
Right, my big
Which
thing
one?
Hey, we doing Chick-fil-A again.
Classic.
That's not a classic.
Yes, it is.
Don't you see the spicy sauce on it?
I just what the
Bro.
Hey, cuz.
Hey, y'all need to make y'all
Ow.
YouTube like
Let me see.
ASAP.
Oh yeah, YouTube is coming soon.
Excuse me.
It's taking me a long time because somebody, but our YouTube
Hey.
is coming soon.
What,
For sure.
Hey,
let me see that.
excuse me.
Hey. You got 2 chicken sandwiches?
I don't know.
Look. You supposed to stop playing with me, gang.
I'm so sure they're looking like.
Hey, your fries kicking. I ain't gonna cap.
Yep, I do.
Oh, well, he got your spicy. He eating that junk.
I got a little bite.
We gotta do another video. And by the time, hey, look, y'all gotta promise to my subscribers. By the time we do our next video, y'all gonna have y'all YouTube up.
Whoa.
Wait, what?
By the next, y'all gotta promise to my subscribers. By the next time we do a video together, y'all have y'all YouTube up.
Matter of fact, since you gonna do that,
Oh, I just got
I
my
do.
new phone, so yes. I used to share with you soon.
I do got a gaming channel though, no cap. I just don't post on that junk. Well, I ain't been posting on it. I only got one video though. That video was a long time ago, and I was just trying stuff, and I just put that junk up. I ain't never posted on it again.
This classic better. I don't know. This
It's
better.
classic hitting, cuz. I ain't cap.
How much did you pay for your tripod?
Like $17, I think.
Cuz.
What? I like from Walmart.
That sounds kicking, bro.
I bought it when I bought my sister and that Christmas stuff.
They bought it.
Hmm?
Bought it.
Yeah.
Okay, you couldn't ask me, I could've got
Bro, I'm so dead. Oh God, I gotta cut that out.
boo.
Bro. But yeah. And we're doing another video by the next 3 or 4 days. 3 or 4 days. So y'all need to go and make y'all channel tonight. Y'all ain't gotta have nothing posted, but
We
y'all gotta
already
have
got a channel.
Oh, you already made it? Oh, well, tell me your name.
Yeah, go for it. It's JK Squad.
Well, you guys subscribe to JK Squad. They channel will be linked down below. And yo, go subscribe because yo. And I'm still doing that. Oh, I didn't tell everybody on here, but I posted it on all my social medias that I was doing this giveaway. You get a $50 Walmart gift card, a $50 Amazon gift card, and a $50 Apple gift card. And all you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow all social media, and comment done under my most recent video. And that's how you enter. And your name will be put in a drawing. And I will be doing the drawing when I reach 250 subscribers.
So y'all better get to hitting that subscribe button.
I'm finna go subscribe.
Huh?
I'm finna go subscribe. I need that Amazon card.
Kaya, you slow.
Yeah.
Well,
But yeah, like y'all full. I'm full, and I really have nothing else to say. So I'm gonna get back with y'all in like 3 or 4 days, and we're gonna do another mukbang. And my channel is not gonna be based off mukbangs stuff. We're gonna do challenges and stuff like that. I'm kind of nervous, y'all.
Yes, you gonna get used to it.
But yeah, I'm having another video for y'all. But what's today? Before Monday. By Monday, probably. Monday. Yeah, Monday. Monday, we're gonna have another video. So, like, comment, and subscribe, and follow those rules to enter the giveaway. And I'll be back with another video.
That is on the